Welcome back to the English Comprehensible Input YouTube channel. Today, it is hot outside. My name is Michael. We are in my garage. This is my Tesla. My Tesla is an electrical car. I love my Tesla. My Tesla, I love to drive. I love driving my Tesla. It is hot. So, I'm going to open the door. Right now, the door is closed. I want to open the door. This door is closed. The door, I cannot open the door. It is locked. I unlocked the door. I opened the door. The air is colder outside. Whew. It feels better outside the garage. The garage is hot. Outside, the wind is blowing because I opened the door. I shut the door. I opened the door. I shut the door and I locked the door. Now I cannot open the door because the door is locked. Now the door is unlocked. The door is open. Inside the garage is hot. It's hot. Outside the garage is cool. The wind is blowing. My hair is moving. The wind is colder. Inside the garage is hotter. Let's go back inside the garage. This is a button. This is a button to open the garage. I cannot move the car outside the garage because the door is closed. I can push the button. I can push the button. The garage door will open. Now I can move the car. Thank you for watching lesson 3. Subscribe to the channel for more content. Take care.